Hello viewers, if you are Scorpio or you have a Scorpion moon, this week may quietly bring something to the surface that you have been trying not to think about, not in a dramatic or overwhelming way, but in a stable, resident way that gently asks for your attention, almost like a thought that keeps returning when everything else goes quiet, and you might not even realize at first why certain emotion feels slightly heavier or why your patient feels a bit thinner than usual. But there is a reason within the surface, everything shifting internally rather than externally. And as the week brings from the 16th April, there's a noticeable influence from the sun moving through your sixth house, which naturally brings your focus to our responsibilities, daily routine, work pressure, or your physical and mental well being. And this alone can create a sense of mental fatigue, especially if you have been pushing yourself without proper rest. But alongside this, the moon's changing position through the week may heighten your emotional awareness, making you more sensitive to things you would usually brush off. And when Saturn's influence comes into play, affecting your emotion boundaries and long term responsibilities, it can feel like you are carrying more than usual, not just physically but mentally as well. And you might find yourself thinking more deeply about stability, about whether the effort you're putting is in actually leading somewhere meaningful. And this is where Rahul's placement add a layer of confusion and distraction, particularly around your goals or future direction, making it harder to see things clearly. And Mars, your ruling planet, brings a stubble push, a kind of internal restlessness that make you want to act, but not always with full clarity, and this combination can create a quiet tension, not explosive, but present, like something is slightly off balance, and you may already been feeling this if you have noticed moment of overthinking or a sense that you are emotionally withdrawing without fully understand why. And this is where the relatability comes in, because many Scorpios this week may feel a bit disconnected, not incompletely, but enough to notice. Perhaps in conversation where your physical presence, but mentally elsewhere. Or in a moment where you choose silence over explaining how you feel. And it's not that you don't care, it's more that you are processing things internally, trying to make sense of your own thoughts before sharing them. And that's completely natural under this planetary influence, especially when Saturn is encouraging reflection and Mars creating internal pressure. And financially, this week requires a grounded and cautious approach, because when the Sun is in your sixth house, there's a strong focus on expense, bills, and responsibility that cannot be ignored. And you might feel a silent pressure building around money, not necessarily a crisis, but enough to make you more aware of where your resources are going. And this is not the best time of impulsive financial decision, particularly influenced by Rahu's, which can relate delusion around quick gains or tempting opportunity that may not be as trivial as they appear. So if something feels too easy or too good to be true, it's worth taking a step back and reviewing it carefully. And instead, this will explore some more practical mindset, focusing on budget, reviewing expenses, and make small but steady financial decisions that brings long-term stability rather than short-term excitement. And you might also notice that work-related responsibilities increasing slightly, perhaps more tasks, better deadlines, or a sense that you are being observed or elevated more closely. And while this can feel pressuring, it's also an opportunity that demonstrate consistency and reliability with certain strength to reward over time, even if the results are not immediate. And when it's come to relationship, both romantic and family dynamics may feel a bit quieter and slightly tense, not necessarily due to conflict, but more due to unspoken feeling or a lack of clear communication. You might find yourself expecting others to understand how you feel without fully expressing, and which can create a stubborn emotional distance. And if you are in a relationship, There may be moments where conversation feel a bit surface level, even if deeper emotions are present, may feel a bit quieter or slightly tense, not necessarily due to conflict, but more due to unspoken feelings or a lack of clear communication. And you might find yourself expecting others to understand how you feel without fully expressing, and it which can create a stable emotional distance. And if you are in a relationship, there may be a moment where conversation feel a bit surface, even if deeper emotions are present underneath. And this is where a gentle effort to communicate, even in small ways, can make a difference. Not through intense discussion, but through simple honesty. And if you are single, this week may bring a reflective mood rather than a socially active one, where you are more focused on understanding your own emotional needs rather than seeking new connection. And within the family, there may be expectations or responsibility that feel slightly heavier than usual. Perhaps something you did not fully anticipate. And it's important to set healthy boundaries without feeling guilty, because Saturn's influence here is teaching you about balance, about knowing when to give and when to step back. And as the week progresses, you may notice that certain days may feel more mentally or emotionally heavy than around 18 or 19 of April, when the moon's position may intensify your thoughts and emotions, make you easier to feel overwhelmed or withdrawn. And on these days, it's important not to make major discussion or react impulsively, especially under Mars double influence, which can push you toward action without full clarity. And instead, these days are better suited for reflection, for slowing down, and for observing your thoughts without immediately acting on them. And then, as you moving toward the 20th of April, there's a slight shift, a bit more clarity, even if not completely resolved. And this it is a better time of making practical decisions related to work or finance. And throughout the week, one of the most important things for you to focus is your internal state, because a lot of what's happening is not external source but internal processing. And asking yourself simple questions can be very helpful, like, have you been feeling more mentally tired than usual, or have you been avoiding certain thoughts or conversations? Does it feel like something is changing but you can't quite explain what is it? And if this question resonates with you, then you're already in tone with the energy of this week. And the guidance here is not about making big changes, but small concessions, adjustments, such as creating a more balanced routine, allowing yourself proper rest, being mindful of your spending, and choosing clear communication over silence when it's matter, and also being patient with yourself, because not everything needs to be solved immediately, and some clarity naturally comes with time, especially under Saturn's steady influence. And it's also worth remembering that this quiet phase is not sit back, it's more like a chance to priorities and understand what truly matters to you without external noise. And while it may not feel particularly exciting, it is meaningful. And by the end of this week, even everything is not fully resolved, you may feel a bit more grounded, a bit more aware of your direction, and slightly lighter mentally, simply because you allowed yourself to process rather than resist what was coming up. And that in itself is progress. And as you move forward, holding on to that sense of patience and self-trust will be important, because not every week is about action. Some weeks are about understanding, and this is one of them. And if you find these insights helpful and want to stay in tune each week, you're always welcome to follow along at your own place whenever it feels right. Take care and goodbye.